Good morning, everybody. Today, we are going to start question answers of the lesson, Be a Good Speaker. In previous class, we have discussed what are the characteristics of a good speaker. Okay. The few things when you have to remember when you are speaking, that is, speak correct, clearly, don't mumble, look at the person when you talk to them, means eye to eye contact is very important. You should not be too loud or too soft, too fast or too slow. Be polite and be pleasant. Give a thought to the other person's feelings and interests. When you take part in a discussion, don't keep talking all the time. When you are taking part in a discussion, follow follow the points. Don't keep talking all the time. Let others speak. Show interest in what others say and listen carefully. When you agree with others or like their ideas, do tell them that. Do share your own thoughts and ideas with others. If you do not understand something, ask for an explanation politely. Use polite words and expression when you want to interrupt someone, when you disagree with someone, or when you seek explanations and give them. When you want to give a speech, plan your speech in advance. Note the points and arrange them properly. Rehearse the speech in your mind and go ahead. Okay, these are the points you have to keep in your mind and follow. Okay. Now, first question is list and say whether the following statements agree with the passage or not. Only the following statement you have to say this statement is agree with or not. So first, you should always speak softly but clearly. So agree. So you have to write down this statement and write down agree. Okay, I'm writing the answers on the board and I'm, yes, saying the statement, giving you the statement. Okay. Write down the statement. You should always speak softly but clearly. Write down the statement. You should always speak softly but clearly. Your answer is agree. A-G-R-E-E, agree. Write down agree. First answer is agree. Second, write down the second sentence. In a discussion, you should share your ideas with others. In a discussion, you should share your ideas with others. This is also agree. Okay. First, write the second one. Should first sentence is you should always speak. You should always speak softly but clearly. Softly but clearly. The second sentence is in a discussion you should share Discussion. Share share your ideas with others. Ideas with others. So this is also I think. So I third sentence is if you don't understand something, if you understand something, don't let others, don't let the others don't let others know about it. Know about it. Write down this sentence and if you don't understand something, don't let others know about it. This is the sentence. This is the sentence. Answer is this sentence. Fourth, you should try to talk. Should try to talk. You should try to talk. Most of the time, whenever most of the time. Whenever there is a discussion, discussion. So, sit also disagree. Disagree. So disagree. Number 5. You should look at the person. You should look at the person. You should look at the person. You are talking to. You are talking to. Yes, eye to eye contact is very important. talking to. So here we are agree. It is our agree. So we are agreeing with this statement. I-Y contact is very important. You know, now see. Now I am writing sixth number. Number 6. When you want to make a switch, then you want to make a switch. Want to make a switch. There is no need to think. There's no need to think. No need to think. There is no need to think about it in advance. About it in advance. This statement is this. So this is the last. When you want to make a speech, there is no need to think about it in advance. So here we are disagree to this. So this is the sentences. Now question number 2 is think about what you do and what you must learn to do. When you speak, make a list of such do's and don'ts for yourself. Okay. See what you have to do. Listen. Whenever you are going to speak, so what you do, what you must learn, considering all these points, you have to make a list for yourself, do's and don'ts. ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है. This you have to do. That will come in do's section. And if you want, you should not do. So that statement will come in don'ts section. So do's and don'ts. For example, see, I'll tell you when you are going to speak what you have to do or what you don't have to do. In do's, be confident. Be confident. ये करना है. Do, be confident. Now, be interesting and enthusiastic about your ideas. This is also it do's. So I'm telling you do's. Include stories, examples, and illustrations. Maintain eye-to-eye contact and body language. Keep it short. Get your facts right. That is do's. ये सारा do's में आएगा. Don'ts में क्या आएगा? What will come in don't section? Refer to your material. Use difficult words. Speak in a loud or impolite tone. Look away from the listeners or cause distraction. Shift focus from the topic. Speak without any preparation. Speak without any preparation. So this is don'ts. ये नहीं करना है. Shift focus from the topic. टॉपिक से फोकस नहीं हटाना है. Speak without any preparation. कुछ भी प्रिपरेशन करके नहीं बोलना है. That will come in a don't section. Understood? So all these points you have to see. And question number 3 we are discussing. Okay. In next period we are writing this question. List the polite expression we use such as pardon. Pardon is the pardon. Okay, this is the polite expression. In this way, you have to collect some words and write it down. Like I am sorry, thank you, may I, if you please, excuse me please, most welcome, and pardon. These are the These are the polite expression. I am sorry, excuse me please. Okay. So these words, I am sorry, thank you, may I, if you please, excuse me please, most welcome. These are the polite expression. We have to write down all these polite expression. Now question number 4 is the last question. We will discuss it, and in next period we are going to write question number 2, 3 and 4. See, look at the speaker in each picture. See the picture. These pictures are given. Look here. What you have to do? Look at the speaker in each picture. Say whether each one is good speaker. Give reasons for your answer. See, all the 5 pictures are given. Look at here. Observe the pictures and see which pictures having a good speaker. Okay, so this is only what we can say activity question. Observe it and you do it. Right. First है, she will, in first picture, she is not a good speaker. Second picture is also not a good speaker. And third picture is very good speaker, extremely well organized with eye contact with the audience. She is speaking, see, she is speaking and she is having a good eye contact with the audience. In first picture, she is looking at the paper and then she is speaking. In second picture, the grandpa is speaking and he is sleeping. And in third picture, he is shouting. Fourth picture, he is shouting. And in fifth picture, they were laughing. So the third picture is very confident, extremely confident, and having eye-to-eye contact with the audience. Understood? Now, exactly you know what is the speaking skill. Now, communication is sharing or imparting information. Yes, communication is share information with the people, with one another. Imparting the information. Communication involves both the speaker and the listener. Communication possible in India. Both the speaker and the listener, they are playing a vital role in the communication process. It is extremely important to speak well. While some of us speak well with confidence, there are others who are shy. Some people they were very confident, they are speaking very nicely, and some people are shy. Some speak very comfortably with their friends and relatives, but becomes nervous and tongue-tied in front of larger audience. Yes, the lesson drives home a few tips regarding effective speaking to conduct ourselves during discussion and things to remember when we have to give a speech. Yes, that I already told you. Okay, that a few tips we are getting how to speak. Okay, during discussion and things to remember when we have going to give a speech. Understood? Okay, so remaining question answers, question number 2, 3, 4, we will write in, we will write in next period. Okay, okay, yes. Now your homework is read the lesson. Okay, I'm writing your homework, read the lesson. You have to read this lesson. Understood? Okay. Do your homework. Bye.